Check, check. Mic 2, 1, 2. Is that what they say? Hello? Beep, boop, bop. Beep, boop, 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 boop. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm CourtneyQuarantine. I'm a full-time content creator, variety streamer, and I make content on YouTube for makeup most of the time. I do some cooking, I play some indie horror games, and it's other things. I can't think of anything else that I do, but I'm a content creator. And here we are. I am getting into some makeup stuff today, and I'm very excited because the star of the show is what I meant to say. Did my lights fall down? No. Not the lights. Well, that didn't stick there for long. Anyway. It's not gonna focus because I turned my autofocus off. Is that even right? No. Yeah. Pink powder, dude. This is the ultra pink. This is from One Size. This is ultra pink. Ultimate setting powder, One Size. I literally just said the same thing, basically. A superfine 14-hour long wear blurring setting powder made for a light bake to a heavy cake. Directions: dust with a powder brush and bake with a puff for a soft matte finish with no flashback. I'm excited about that. Also, I'm just excited because it's the first pink powder that I've ever tried. So I'm kind of nervous because if I hate it, that sucks. I don't like to return products because I feel like because they usually typically just have to throw them away or like discard them in a way. That's a bummer. So hopefully I like this. Hopefully I can make this work. Yeah. Okay, anyway, getting right into it, I'm going to prime my face. If you want to check out any of my other socials, they will be linked below. I will also list all of the products in the description if you're curious. I like this primer. It's a little like overkill sometimes because my skin's already kind of like glowy-ish. It's moisturized. It's feeling fresh. I'm a little dehydrated, and by a little I mean a little. I like to try to like massage it into my skin, kind of wake it up, you know? I'm gonna be using like orange blush, so I'm not gonna lie, sometimes if I have like a little fallout that I just kind of like rub into my skin that's like a little more orange or whatever, I'm like, yeah, that checks out. What happened over here though? The primer has kind of like an orangeness to it, and then it goes away, thank God. God damn, glowy. Bing! I'm excited to try this powder because I know people really love the translucent one as well, or just like the One Size powders as a whole. Blurring is my side eye though, because if you're mattifying something, it's gonna look more blurred. So I feel like it's kind of like a fancy way to say mattifying, but we'll see. And I'm gonna be streaming this evening, so I'm gonna probably have this makeup on for a good while. So I will see, put it to the test. I'm gonna be trying, wait, help, where did that go? I'm gonna be taking a foundation that I know and love. This is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue. This is actually a shade that I usually don't wear. My sponge where it's right in front of me every time. But yeah, I'm gonna be trying this with a foundation that I've worn a million times, but where's my phone? It's right here. Everything is right here. Chill out. I'm gonna take a little bit of this. I don't know actually about this shade. Let me just put a little bit on. That's not bad. I'm not gonna be doing too much of this. Too much of the foundation, so it'll be fine. The shade that I typically wear is 103 and 105, but I love this foundation. Literally, it looks so nice. I don't really want too much coverage. I just kind of want it to be skin-like, and this is perfect for that because of the finish. It's just wonderful. Skin is looking like skin, but like even. Cute. Okay, even that is just like right above maybe where I want the coverage. I can feel that I'm gonna have a breakout right here. You know why? It's because I had Greek yogurt. Yeah. Okay, cool. Dude, it is hot in here. Wow, it is so hot in here today. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of some cream products. I'm gonna take this cream bronzer. No, I'm not. This is the cream contour from Fenty. This is just amber in the compact, which, dude, I love. I love that this is in a compact form because it's just so easy. I like the stick, but sometimes I feel like I like this a little bit better because you just dupe, and I don't know. There's something about it that I just really, really enjoy. Oh, I like it. The consistency isn't super, super smooth. Like, it has a little bit of like oomph to it. But as far as contour goes, cream contour, I really like this one. And the shade is actually like a contour shade. I use it pretty lightly, but I put it mostly in the hollows and like a little bit higher of my cheeks for this one. A little bit up on the temples, but not too much. I don't like to hollow my temples too much because then it looks a little skeletal on me sometimes. Like, I look back at some pictures like years ago where I would really contour because like the natural like dent of my temple right here, sometimes when I would really really contour that, oh my god, I looked a little sick. And not sick, well, you could argue, but you could argue that I'm always looking sick. I was like, oh, I look a little ill. I probably was. Anyway, looking lovely, darling. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of the Mario. Someone put this in my comments and I can't tell if they're trolling me or not. And I know Michaela says Mario, but I didn't know, is it Mario or Mario? Because am I stupid or am I gullible? Or did I just not know? Those are the options. Anyway, I'm gonna take this. This is the Makeup by Mario or Mario sculpt stick. This is in light medium, and I'm actually just gonna use the same brush because I don't feel like grabbing another one, but I'm gonna just put it on a little bit higher. And I really, really love this cream bronzer. Dude, it's pretty. I hate to say it because I know it's not cheap. I feel like I've used it a ton, and I still have that much. So, love. Gives this lovely warmth to the skin. And then I'm gonna set it. Actually, I'm gonna put a little bit of this on my nose. I'm gonna like faux contour with that. I kind of want to try like to contour my nose really intensely soon, but today's not that day. Are you recording? Yeah, cool. Can you hear me? Sweet. So I'm just gonna go boop, boop, and boop. Oh, I love this. I kind of want to get the light shade because this is light medium and I wonder what the light would look like on me. And it's just, dude, it's such a pretty product. This is so seamless. So seamless. Oh, yeah. Okay, time for the powder. Get to the chopper. I don't even know what that's from. What? I'm getting out a new poof for this, and I'm gonna use, or you know what? I'm gonna use the white one because it's cute. Okay, so this is the one size. This is the ultra pink. Oh, ooh, it just feels nice. This packaging is cute. Oh, okay. One size. I like that packaging. I don't know why this is like so satisfying to me. Like, there's something about this also that I want to eat. I want to eat this. This looks so, like, it makes me think of like a little pink donut or something, or cookie. No, donut, like a fluffy donut, and strawberry milk and strawberry ice cream. I'm kind of hungry, I think. Anyway, so it has a little sifter in it, which usually, I'm not gonna lie, I really don't like, but okay, it has a little help. I swear to God, in eternity later. Oh, please. Okay, all right, hold on, we almost had it. Did that sound nice? Did you like that? Stop. Okay, I'm just gonna go over everything once, a little once over, because dude, my base is looking so shiny right now. Shiny. Okay, cute. Let me try this out. It looks, I don't think it smells like anything. If I go like this, will some come out? Like with the sifter in it? Probably not. Okay, cute. I'm gonna put a little in the cap maybe. Oh, that is a ultra pink. So like that much. Oops. All right, I'm gonna take my little puff. I will link these two because these are my favorite little puffs from Amazon. And I'm gonna kind of pinch it like this, tap it into this, and just set my face like normal. Oh God. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if this is light enough pink for me, because already I feel like if I were to use like my normal foundation, this has, like, it's not translucent, it is pink, but it's not like light enough pink. That is freaking setting my face though, holy shit. Okay. Immediate first impressions, I wish it was a lighter tone of pink. Like, I wish it was a white pink, but Jesus. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit more. Set my forehead. I don't know how much of this I'll like need. Wow, okay. It definitely mattified, which does give the appearance of a blur. I do feel very pink. I hope that's coming off like on camera and stuff, but ultimately I will see like probably towards the end of the night how I like this the most. Maybe I'll like check in or something somehow, or just like let you know in the description or like something. But so far, I'm impressed. It doesn't feel like there's powder on my face too, and I will say, oh, okay, that is extremely finely milled. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, I'm gonna take this, which I use for highlight, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the powder, just kind of run it down here, because I set underneath my chin. I'm just gonna take like a little bit of it on a brush, just to see. Wow. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, at first I was a little like, okay, it's pink, but duh, I bought it because it's a pink powder. That looks cute. Though I don't think it altered too much of like the tone of my face. Like it's not too dark. Hopefully you can really see that. Dude, my face is motherfucking. That looks pretty nice, dude. That looks pretty nice, and it feels nice. Like, oh, that feels nice. Okay, all right, all right. One size. I think with the powder puff and with the brush that applied really nicely. I'm very impressed so far. First impressions, okay. Let me go finish everything up and I will be right back. Okay, so I have some thoughts, and also I maybe should have filmed me putting products on top of the powder, because I have to say that is the thing that I'm most impressed with right now. It was so smooth. It was so effortless. There was no drag. There was no like the forehead blend that I did with the brush. I usually just take like a brush that doesn't have any product in it, just to like kind of like do like a once over, just to make sure that there's no like harsh edges or like any blending that I might want to do like on my cheeks or something like that. And I have to say, really, really, really impressed with that. I am wearing a highlight right now. Oh my God, is there a booger in my nose? Okay, whatever. I have boogers in my nose. It's fine. I have to say something about this highlight really quickly. This highlight is highlighting. This is the Unearthly Mirage. I don't actually think I've worn this yet, which is crazy because I'm obsessed with these low light highlights so much. They're literally perfect. They look so good when I'm also just like, they look so good when I'm sitting here in low light for stream. Like, they do look fantastic. So I'm excited to see what this one will look like tonight. It's so gold. It's so smooth. It's so soft. The texture is so lovely, but it is that like fairy type of glow, but like I did build it up a little bit, and honestly, I'm so impressed. I hope that you're seeing it. I hope it's like coming off on camera. I did put quite a lot of it on my nose as well. I don't think I'm getting any cast or anything, but wow. I love that so much. I feel very pumpkin. I feel very autumnal. Anyway, so back to the powder. The thing that I think I'm really excited to see this with is my usual, like my very fair foundation that I have that matches me, especially when I'm like at my fairest, how that will look on top of that. Like how this will look on top of that. I do feel like there was a brightening ish, but for me, like because I am so fair, I don't know if it was as brightening as maybe like I thought that it would be. However, totally fine. I don't necessarily want like a super bright under eye for me personally. So this as like an all over really did well. This brow, dude, do you see this? You see this shit? I'm gonna make the, I should make like a little slit right here and just have it be like a little, anyway, not now. Anyway, I'm getting distracted. So this, if this wears well, if my face, if my base stays like this, it's blurring in the way that it has mattified my face. It does look blurring. I'm not gonna lie. It does look blurring. Is it gonna erase your pores? Not literally. Like it's not literally going to do that, but it looks like that. Like it looks like that. So I'm kind of obsessed. I want to wear it. I want to give it some more tries. I want to like try it different ways, layer it with different products and stuff like that. So I'm very, 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 very excited to see that. I will let you know, like I said, in some way, shape, or form, or in like future videos too, or check in or something. But honestly, yeah, one size. Ooh, let me just go ahead and see how much it is quickly. So this was $34. I have definitely paid more for setting powders. I think that's a pretty solid price for a quality powder. Again, I will just kind of see how I like it, how it wears, yada, 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 but not bad. It's not cheap by any stretch of the imagination, but it does feel very quality, and the packaging feels nice too. It's got this like frosted bit on the bottom. I do really feel like this is a nice product. It feels very quality, looks quality. I have to say, very impressed with how it looks. Very impressed with how it looks. Yeah. I don't think I really need to say much more about that. But yeah, if you are curious about any other products that are on my face or any of my socials, like I said before, it will all be in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. If you want to go ahead and consider subscribing, I would appreciate it. If you want to give this video a thumbs up, you want to give it a like, you want to comment your favorite powder. I want to know what like face powders you like, or you could comment your favorite kind of pumpkin thing that you like to eat, if you like to eat pumpkin things. I want to know. I don't eat a lot of pumpkin stuff. You know what I do like though? Pumpkin seeds. Put those bad boys in the oven with a little bit of salt, a little whoosh of olive oil. Ooh. Anyway, yeah, I hope that you found this helpful, or you at least enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Your Honor, it's an autumnal serve. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Didn't do do. Yeah. All right. I need to fix this eyebrow situation right now. Situation. Where are you, Christmas? It's too early. Is it though? Who cares? You could talk about Christmas January 1st, and I'd be like, I feel ya. It is nice. Let's just take that away. Take me away. Who's that? I don't know if this is gonna work, and it might look like shit. Thanks, I hate it. Actually, that's not bad. Let's roll with it. Dude! I look kind of handsome. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Incredible. Amazing. Unstoppable. Never been done before. Am I still recording? You sure are. A hiding place. If you're still watching this video, why? You know, actually I know why. You're hanging out, you're chilling, you're vibing. I'm not gonna judge you. You think I'm gonna judge you for that? Thanks for watching. Just take a little bit more of this. I just keep getting better and better. Okay, seriously, I'm gonna take care of yourself. Drink some water. Eat some good food, all right? Be nice to yourself. Stop giving yourself such a hard time, okay? You're doing your best, okay? Doesn't mean you gotta do a lot. Bye.